Please watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video we have a bonus for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about an AI enabled keyboard. Yes, AI is everywhere, so why not in your keyboard? Today we are going to discuss about an AI enabled keyboard which really helps you in your daily life, especially when you are chatting with someone on WhatsApp or any other text messaging application. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials. After subscribing, press the bell icon, choose all notifications so you will never miss any upload from us. If you want to support us, you can join our channel. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. My name is Ratul and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy. Let's start. The keyboard name is Microsoft Swift AI keyboard. You can find this keyboard on Playstore. The link is also available on our official WhatsApp channel. To join our WhatsApp channel, you can visit our about page of our YouTube channel or visit the video description below. After downloading the keyboard, you need to do some setup, as you are using GBoard, and in GBoard you have to do some setup. The same setup you have to do. And the second thing, you need a Microsoft account, because this AI keyboard has Copilot enabled, and we use Copilot to access all the AI features of this keyboard. So the main features of this keyboard is, like for example, you are writing some message and you want to change the tone, you can change, or you can compose something in your email. Let's suppose you are in the email and directly you can open that keyboard and then you can write emails. So today we just going to discuss about one important feature of this, like AI feature. Now if you are interested and if you want the setup tutorial also, if I got many comments about the setup tutorial, so I'll try to make. So don't forget to let us know in the comment section. Now I'm in a chat of WhatsApp.
Hi, how are you? Edit box.
And this is the text which I have written.
Shift uppercase is on.
Okay.
Predictions available.
So now I just need to find the Copilot options. To find the Copilot options, just move your finger above Q.
Copilot button. Window Microsoft.
Double tap here.
Find the best Thai restaurant in
Copilot
town.
is opened. Now see.
Ask me anything button.
So here you can ask Copilot anything. Okay. So let me just increase the accessibility for you.
Stop recording. Ask me. Ask me anything button.
So
Window
here you can
Microsoft
ask
key.
it
Find the
anything.
best Thai restaurant in compose tone button.
Just click on tone.
Showing QWERTY keyboard.
Let me
Editing.
click on
Hi, how
tone
are
then.
you? Hey. Hi. Waiting. Capital 1. Change tone button.
Okay, change tone.
Clear tone change button.
And clear tone change. So now if you are interested to
Editing.
change
Hi, how are you?
see.
Compose button. Editing. Hi, how are you?
Hi,
Edit
how are
box.
you?
Rewrite
Now
tone
let's
text.
suppose you are interested. I mean, you are chatting with someone elder than you or someone senior. So let's do that.
Clear. Change tone button.
Just click on change tone.
Showing tone panel. Chat button.
Okay. Now see,
Search
I'm just
button.
swiping from left to right.
Professional. Selected. Search button.
Now I'm swiping again.
Selected. Tone button.
Tone.
Compose button. Hi, how are you? Change tone. Professional. Hello. How
So
are you?
professional,
106.
this is the
English,
professional
6.
tone.
Accept professional tone button.
So you can accept the professional tone.
Copy professional tone
You
button.
can copy this.
Casual. Hey, how's it going? 2 of 6.
Casual tone. Hey, how is it going? So instead of hi, how are you, you can write this also.
Accept casual. Copy casual tone. Polite. Hi, how are you doing? 3 of 6.
Okay, that is also polite. Hi, how are you doing? So let me just choose this casual tone.
Copy. Accept casual tone.
Click on
Going.
accept casual
Accept casual
tone.
tone. Space.
Now see.
Selected. Tone button. Out of editing. Hey, how's it going? Edit box. Window
See,
WhatsApp.
now before I have written hi, how are you? Now I change the tone easily, and even I don't know, if I don't know what to write, even I don't know what English should I use, what word I should use, okay, then I can use this AI feature to change the tone. This is just one feature I have shown you. Another feature is, like, let's suppose here compose button is there. See.
Attack. Send. Back button. Del
Let
KB
me,
216 black.
reopen.
Casual. Hey, how's it go? Hi, how are you? Edit box. Rewrite tone text.
Okay.
Out of list.
This is the rewrite
Compose.
thing option. So compose is there. Just going to compose. I am just
Showing
going.
QWERTY keyboard. Keyboard hidden. Chat. Stop.
See.
4 minutes. Close. Web view. Close. Compose page. Write about. Heading 2.
Write about. See.
Hey, how's it going? 21.0. Hey, how's it going? Edit box. Tell us what you want to write about.
So
Character
here
of the
you need to
2010
enter
network. I accepted a new
the
job at
topic.
Microsoft.
Okay, then
21 point. Tone. Heading 2.
select the tone. Let's suppose you want to write some emails or something. So tone should be professional. Okay, then you need to give the topic. Then choose the tone. See.
Ticked. In group. Option 1 of 6. Not ticked. In group. Option 2 of 6. Casual. Ticked. In
So
group.
see.
Option 1 of 6. Professional.
So professional
Radio
is selected. Next is
Not ticked. Not ticked. Not ticked. Format.
see
Heading 2.
format. What type of format thing you need?
Ticked. In group. Option 1 of 4. Paragraph. Radio button.
Paragraph.
Not ticked. In group. Option 2 of 4. Email.
Email.
Radio
So
button.
let's suppose when you are composing an email, you should always write this as an email.
Not ticked. In group. Option 3 of 4. Ideas.
Some
Radio button.
ideas.
Not
Okay.
ticked. In group. Option 4 of 4. Blog post. Radio button.
Blog post. You can write the blog post also.
Length. Heading 2.
Then length. What should be the length of your content, of your composed content, which is generated by AI?
Not ticked. In group. Option 1 of 3. Short. Radio
Short.
button. Ticked. In group. Option 2 of 3. Medium.
Medium.
Radio
Medium
button.
is by default selected.
Not ticked. In group. Generate draft. Button.
Then click on generate draft. When you click on generate draft, you can find 2-3 drafts, and whichever draft you want to insert to the text, just click on that draft. That draft will be inserted to your message text. Whatever text or whatever text area you have, you can that will be pasted. So this is also another great feature of this Microsoft Swift AI enabled keyboard. Apart from this, you can also have the translation feature. You can also have the clipboard feature. So these are common features, but this Copilot enabled feature is really helpful a lot. Really helps you a lot in your daily life. Okay, again I'm saying to use Copilot you must have one Microsoft account. So if you do not have, just create one, and then you can use Copilot just within your keyboard application. One bonus topic for today's video. Yes friends, today we have one bonus topic, and okay, let me just tell you, this Copilot has also available within your AI enabled launcher. Yes, AI enabled launcher. I'm talking about Microsoft Launcher. This application's link is also available on our official WhatsApp channel as well as in the video description below. Let me show you how it works.
Home. Microsoft Launcher.
I'm using Microsoft Launcher, and
Copilot. 3 of
here
3.
it is,
Button.
Copilot. I'm opening it,
Microsoft Launcher.
and now I'm swiping. See,
Web view. Menu. Button.
menu button is there.
Collapsed. More. Button.
Okay, more.
Copilot. Heading 1.
Yes, this is a Copilot,
Your everyday AI companion.
your
Heading 2.
everyday AI companion. So you do not need to install the Copilot application, Bing application, so and so things. You just need to install Microsoft Launcher and sign in with your Microsoft account so that you can get, you can use this Copilot feature. So you can search anything within your launcher. Okay.
Design a modern kitchen. Copilot. Terms of use. Privacy. Try New topic. Button. Edit box.
New
Ask
topic.
me anything. Ask me anything.
Okay.
Add an image to search. Button.
So you can add the image.
Use keyboard. Button.
Use keyboard.
Stop recording.
Okay.
Image. Web view. Window. Microsoft Launcher.
So these are the features of Copilot which you can use just within your launcher. So today we have talked about two things: one, Swift AI keyboard, AI enabled keyboard, and the bonus part, AI enabled launcher. I hope this video finds you well, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and share this video with your friends and family. That's it guys for the day. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, bye bye.